of Farmington High School's newest clubs, students can expand their knowledge on cooking and different recipes. Miss Eden is the Family and Consumer Science instructor here at FHS.
With my classes, with Foods 1 and Foods 2, we had a lot of kids that love the cooking experience, but we're very limited into what we can do during the class time. With 50 minutes, and you've got to be able to prep, cook, and clean up in the 50 minutes, 55 minutes. It just really limited us on what we were able to do. So I thought a cooking club to where we'd have a little more time. We'd have the option to do more recipes, different things that we wouldn't have the ability to do during class, would reach more students.
The cooking club will meet in Miss Eden's room, 118. That way students can take advantage of the classroom designed specifically for cooking.
Because this is where the kitchens are. We were going to meet Thursdays after school, once or twice a month. It probably won't be every week. We'll just kind of see what the needs of the club members are. If different days work better for other people, we can switch. But I think right now the schedule works best for Thursday after school, probably 2 times a month.
It is not limited to simplistic selections, and it encourages students to make things with different ingredients.
Okay, so we tried this 2 years ago, and we made we did some grilled cheese, and we tried different recipes to see like what's the best type of cheese, what's the best type of bread, what's the best way to put it together, and like we did taste test each other's grilled cheeses to come up with what is our best way to make your grilled cheese. We did homemade pasta, where we rolled out the noodles ourselves and then did a store-bought sauce just for the sake of time. But there were some kids that tried some different Thai recipes and different Japanese recipes, like homemade dumplings, and then some homemade noodles and things like that. So we are very much driven by the interest of the people in the group. We are limited by budget to a sense, but a lot of times when you're making things from scratch, you can make it a whole lot cheaper than buying it from the store or buying it from a restaurant anyway.
So if you want to learn more about cooking, email your questions to Miss Eden. This has been Libby Abel and Savannah Walker reporting for BKTV Live.